Imagine this. New investor cat sees shiny coins. Brain says, pick winner. Market says, thank you for donation. But the first move is not picking a winner. The first move is knowing what game cat is playing. This is investing 101, explained with cats. So before this cat buys anything, teacher cat interrupts. Teacher cat says, start with a plan. The plan has 4 stops: goal, risk, fees, and proof. The cat points at shiny coins and asks, which coin make me rich? Teacher cat says, wrong first question! Now, investing mean cat put coin into a company, loan, or basket, hoping it can grow later. But cat cannot put money into a pitch it does not understand. So, first cat need map. Goal first, risk next. If cat skip map, cat not investing. Cat is letting the hype sign choose instead of the plan. So, stop 1 is goal shelf. Goal mean what the coin is for and when cat needs it. Emergency fish is soon. Red box is soon. House box is later. Retirement hammock is much later. Same coin, different job. Don't blow it. Soon coin must stay easy to reach. Later coin can handle more up and down movement. If cat puts every goal in one bucket, the plan cannot tell which money must stay safe and which money can try to grow. And next, stop 2 is risk meter. Risk mean coin value can be smaller when cat needs it. Cat hears higher return and reaches for red zone. Meter says, wait. When do you need coin? Tomorrow coin cannot handle big ups and downs. 10-year coin can maybe handle more. Risk means money might lose value before the goal date. Cat asks for big growth with no risk. But there's no free lunch. If big growth had no risk, every cat would already be rich. Next comes diversification. That means spreading your money across different investments instead of putting all your money into one choice. But this cat does the opposite. Every coin goes into one basket marked 1 hot tip. Every egg goes in too. There is even a chicken wearing sunglasses. The cat trusts him immediately. Then, an anvil drops onto the basket. Crunch! One bad pick just wiped out everything in the basket. So the cat tries again. This time, the eggs and coins are spread across several baskets. Then one basket meets an anvil! Its growth outlook is now extremely flat. But the other 4 are still standing. Diversification cannot prevent losses. It limits the damage one bad investment can do to the overall plan. Now cat may touch coin. Investment mean coin goes into something that can grow, pay, or change value later. For example, stock mean tiny ownership slice of a company. Bond mean cat lends coin and hopes borrower pays back. Fund mean basket holding many investments so cat no pick every piece alone. Different products, different risks. But cat does not need to memorize every product today. Cat just needs to read label before buying. Blank label mean cat cannot explain what it bought. So once cat can explain what it bought, next question, how could it make more coin? The machine has 3 exits. A company may become more valuable so the ownership slice can rise in price. A borrower may pay interest. A company or fund may send earnings back as a payment. None is guaranteed. Sometimes the machine sends out less coin or eats the original coin. Then time wheel turns. Cat can feed a payment back into the basket. Now future returns act on the first coin and returned coin. Compound growth means return can earn more return when money stays invested. Beautiful! Next is stop 3, fee termites. Fee mean small charge taken from cat coin. For example, 1 fee looks small. 2 fees look small. Service fee wears tiny hat. Management fee brings clipboard. Cat laughs because each charge is tiny. Then, fast forwards many years. Jar has fewer coins than cat expected. That is why fee termites matter. They do not smash jar. They take small pieces while cat is not looking. Then side booth appears. Hot tip rocket! Hot tip means someone says this investment price will rise soon. The button says, YOLO! Cat likes button because button feels like decision. Before Cat can press, a checklist drops over the button. It says, no goal, no risk plan, no fee check, no who gets paid answer. Still, risky investment can be real investment. But a rocket picture is not a plan. It does not answer the checklist. Later, time passes. One basket grows huge. Another basket loses value. Now the basket mix has drifted away from the plan. Rebalancing means moving some coin to bring the mix back toward the plan. Then check-in means Cat looks at the plan sometimes, not every few minutes. Cat no need stare at account all day, but sometimes goal changes. Sometimes one basket gets too big. Sometimes Cat adds more money. Plan not tattoo. Plan is map. Plan updates when goal, time, or mix changes. So how does Cat keep that plan moving? Payday arrives! Cat carries one coin toward the plan, sees a snack sign, and forgets the plan. Cat sends payday coins down two paths. Emergency coin stays in a reachable fish jar. Long-term coin goes through an automatic feeder. Regular investing means the same amount goes in on a regular schedule. At a high price, that amount buys less. At a low price, it buys more. This is sometimes called dollar cost averaging. No need to guess the perfect day. Cat picks a repeatable amount. A sustainable contribution beats a dramatic amount that disappears next month. Payday comes again. Feeder clicks. Coin follows plan while Cat is busy being Cat. Automation does not choose the goal, risk, product, or fees. It only repeats the decision already made. Finally, last stop is proof door. Proof mean show why this investment deserves Cat coin. Good investment must answer, what is it? What can go wrong? Who gets paid? When do I need the coin back? If someone promises no risk, guaranteed returns, or secret shortcut to guaranteed riches, Cat does not need more math. Cat should walk away. Real investing still has risk, documents, fees, and boring answers. Scammers hate boring questions. If answer is hype and no proof, Cat should leave room. Now Cat can start. Not because Cat genius, because Cat has a plan. Investing test is simple. What is it? Why own it? What can go wrong? Who gets paid? When need coin back? If investment fits the goal, passes the risk meter, uses more than one basket, and can explain itself clearly, Cat may proceed. Slowly, carefully. If investment fails the checklist, Cat leaves it out of the plan. But wait, what's that? Oh, a completely normal investment button. A careful investor would first... Anyway, moral of the story? Invest carefully and subscribe recklessly.